Hello students, today is lecture number 9 of chapter 3rd mathematics class 10th. Topic means chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. Students, today is the last exercise of this chapter and exercise is 2.6. In this exercise we have to reduce equations and therefore these type of equations is called are called equations reducible, जिसको हम reduce करेंगे and then we will solve such equations and I hope you would have solved previous questions and you will get excellent practice doing many different questions from your books NCERT as well as R.S. Agrawal. So here students, first question of 2.6 part first, and students I would like to share you thought that practice makes person perfect. Somebody says practice makes man's perfect, but here we should say practice makes one's perfect. प्रैक्टिस किसी को भी परफेक्ट कर सकती है, वो प्रैक्टिस किसी भी चीज़ की हो सकती है. अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं, स्टूडेंट लाइफ में हैं, तो यू शुड डू प्रैक्टिस. यू शुड मेक योर टाइम टेबल एंड यू शुड प्लान हाउ टू स्टडी एंड व्हिच टॉपिक अप टू व्हिच लिमिट यू शुड स्टडी. तो आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड मेक टाइम टेबल एंड टाइम टेबल शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 2, 3 or 5 days. वैसे भी आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि अपना टाइम टेबल 1 day, 2 day, 3 days या 7 days का बना सकते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग कोशिश कीजिए कि ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स आपके कवर हों और आपको एक बेहतरीन स्टडी का एक एक्सपीरियंस हो. और जब भी एग्ज़ाम होंगे निश्चित रूप से अगर आप ऐसा कर पाएँ तो आप अपने एग्ज़ाम में निश्चित रूप से अच्छे मार्क्स लाएंगे और साथ में नॉलेज भी होगा. तो स्टूडेंट्स, कम टू द पॉइंट, वी हैव टू इक्वेशंस, टू systems, 1/2x plus 1/3y is equal to 2 and 1/3x plus 1/2y is equal to 13/6. So first of all we should let 1/2x aware here 1/x is equal to u and 1/y is equal to v. Remember student, because this 1/2x cannot be let because here 1/3x there. So we let only variables 1/x is equal to u and now see here these two equations can be written as 1/2 into 1/x plus 1/3 into 1/y is equal to 2. This is the equation and we write here in other way. 1/2x can be written as 1/2 into 1/x here and 1/3y can be written as 1/3 into 1/y is equal to 2. Now we suppose that 1/x is u, therefore we can write here 1/2u plus 1/3 and v is equal to 2. Ultimately we can write here u/2 plus v/3 is equal to 2. So I hope you are understanding that how to write u/2 plus v/3. Similarly, for second part, we will write here u/3 plus v/2 is equal to 13/6. As we have categorized first part, similarly we categorize second part as u/3 plus v/2 is equal to 13/6. So students, we have two relations. Now we have u/2 plus v/3 is equal to 2. So we take LCM. LCM is 6 here. 2 3 6, 3u plus 3 2 6, 2v is equal to 2. Finally 3u plus 2v is equal to 12, इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. तो Student, it is question number first. Finally, we get now from second. From we have u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Students, similar process. Take LCM, 6 LCM there. 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 upon 6. And students, remember, we can cancel out 6 from both the side. Then we have 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 as equation number second. Now we will solve equation number first and second. From first and second, we have 3u plus 2v is equal to 12 and 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Equation first, as you know, and equation second. First of all, we want to equate coefficients of u or b. Here we want to equate coefficient of u. So b should multiply by equation first by 2 and second by 3. आपको मालूम है this is elimination method. 2 is the coefficient of second equation of u. So b should multiply first by 2 and 3 is the coefficient of first equation of u. Then b multiply equation second by third 3. Now we get 2 3 ja 6u plus 2 2 ja 4v is equal to 12 2 ja 24. Now 3 2 ja 6 u plus 3 ja 9v is equal to 39. Line draw, sign change, students. Minus 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 cancel out here, both positive negative, and this becomes minus 5v is equal to 24 minus 39 minus 15. So here, students, we can have minus minus cancel out. So v is equal to 15 upon 5. Thus we can write v is equal to 3. So okay, students, this is the value of v. Now we will put the value of v in equation first, and first is here. Please note this, and then we will try to solve further. So now, students, putting the value of v in equation first. We have first equation as 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. Then 3u plus 2 into the value of v is 3 is equal to 12. 3u plus 6 is equal to 12. That is 3u is equal to 12 minus 6. 3u is equal to 6, or u is equal to 6 upon 3, that is 2. So here we have u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3, students. Come here. At starting, we have supposed that 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. So taking the value of u in terms of x, we can write here 1 upon x is equal to 2. Doing cross multiplication, we get 2x is equal to 1, or finally x is equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly, in this case, we take v as 1 upon y is equal to 3, and by cross multiplication 3y is equal to 1, and finally y is equal to 1 upon 3. Students, these are your answers. And students, never forget how to convert initial equations as linear equations. तो ध्यान रखिए, जैसे कि हमने इसको ब्रेक किया था 1 upon 2x कैन बी रिटन एज 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x प्लस 1 upon 3y कैन बी रिटन एज 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y देन 2, और 1 upon x को हमने सपोज किया है u, तो यहाँ हम रखेंगे u. इसको हमने v लेट किया है, यहाँ रखेंगे v. फाइनली ये हो जाएगा u upon 2 प्लस v upon 3, और इसके बाद जैसे हमने इसको सेपरेट किया है, सिमिलरली आप सेकंड पार्ट को ऐसे लिखेंगे, देन आप इनका एलसीएम लेके सॉल्व करेंगे, जैसा कि हम ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. तो ये स्टूडेंट था first part of question number first. Now come to हाँ तो स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट 2.6 2 अपॉन रूट एक्स प्लस 3 अपॉन रूट वाई इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड 4 अपॉन रूट एक्स माइनस 9 अपॉन रूट वाई इज इक्वल टू 1. स्टूडेंट्स अटेंशन प्लीज. इन आवर सम बुक्स हियर देयर इज माइनस. यदि हम यहाँ माइनस लगा देते हैं तो आंसर डिफरेंट आएगा. सपोज हियर हमने माइनस लगा दिया, हम सॉल्व करेंगे, हमारा मेथड सही रहेगा, आंसर जो भी आएगा वो करेक्ट होगा. बट बुक्स में क्या दिया है, जो ओरिजिनल बुक है एनसीईआरटी की, वहाँ क्या है, यहाँ ओनली 1 है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम यहाँ पे इज इक्वल टू 1 एज्यूम करके हम सॉल्व करते हैं. आप देख लीजिएगा आपकी बुक में क्या लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ -1 है या 1 है. अगर -1 रख के भी सॉल्व करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा. बट जरूरी नहीं कि बुक के आंसर से मिले, क्योंकि बुक का क्वेश्चन है इज इक्वल टू 1. हालांकि आपको बता चुके हैं ऑलरेडी दैट हाउ टू चेक योर आंसर्स. व्हेन यू हैव सॉल्व्ड द सम एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई, देन पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई इन एनी वन क्वेश्चन एंड यू विल गेट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. इट मीन्स योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. नथिंग नीड टू सी आंसर शीट. तो स्टार्ट स्टूडेंट्स. हियर वी हैव दिस इक्वेशन. प्लीज टेली दिस इक्वेशन फ्रॉम योर बुक. नाउ लेट 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. So we can write here 2u plus 3v is equal to 2 and 4u minus 9v is equal to 1. So this is first equation and this is second equation. We can write this. I think you are getting this how to write. Now we want to equate this time term v. So in this first part, first equation, we multiply it by 3. So we get 3 to 6u plus 3 to 9v is equal to 3 to 6. And as it is, equation number second, 4u minus 9v is equal to 1. Here coefficients are same. Sign, opposite sign are there, then फिर b will add and there is no change in sign. Cancel out. 10u is equal to 7. 10u is equal to 7 and u is equal to 7 upon 10. Now students, from equation first, first is 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. So 2 into 7 upon 5 plus 3 into v is equal to 2. So 14 upon 5 plus 3v is equal to 2. That is 3v is equal to 2 minus 14 upon 5. 5 to 10 minus 14, 3v or 3v is equal to minus 4 upon 5, v is equal to minus 4 upon 15. So students, we have two values u and v. Now as we have u is equal to, u is here 7 upon 10 and you know we already supposed that u is equal to 1 upon root x. So here we can write here 1 upon root x is equal to 7 upon 10. Square both side. Squaring both side, 1 upon root x whole square is equal to 7 upon 10 whole square. So we get 1 upon x is equal to 49 upon 100, or we can write here x is equal to 100 upon 49. So by same precedence you will solve for v. Now the second part of this question, we will put minus here, then we will find answer if there is -1. So this is students, this is your homework. In this case we have find the value of x and similarly you will find the value of y taking v is equal to minus 4 upon 15. So now students come and we will solve if there is minus 1. Okay students? Okay students, so please see the question again, and you are already told that this question I found in some books यहाँ पे is equal to 1 है, but in other books we find here minus 1. So now in this second part of this question we will solve taking 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now let's start. Let 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. We can write here 2u plus 3v is equal to 2 and 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Equation first and equation second, students, you know very well. And to equate coefficients we should multiply by 3 in equation first. Then we get 6u plus 9v is equal to 6, and second as it is 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Add both the equations, cancel out, 10u is equal to 5 or u is equal to 1 upon 2. Now putting the value of u in equation first, we have first as 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. So when we put u as 1 upon 2, so 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 3v is equal to 2. 2 to cancel out, 3v is equal to 2 minus 1, because this minus goes to right hand side. So 3v is equal to 1, therefore we can write v is equal to 1 upon 3. So students, you see we have in this part the value of u as 1 upon 2 or the value of v as 1 upon 3. Now here we have u is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we take already u is 1 upon root x. So writing here 1 upon root x is equal to 1 upon 2, that is squaring both sides. 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 4 or x is equal to 4. This is the answer of the value of x. Similarly students, here v is equal to 1 upon 3. Now we can put here as we have supposed v is equal to 1 upon root y. So 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon 3. Here square both sides. Finally we get 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 9. स्क्वायर बोथ साइड करने पे 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 9. स्क्वायर करने पे इस साइड हट जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा 3 का स्क्वायर 1 upon 9. एंड डूइंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन you get y is equal to 9. Students, clear? So this is the answer. Okay students, this is fifth part of question number first. I have already solved question number first, part first and second, and part third and fourth are for you, and I hope part third and fourth you will solve. Now see part fifth, how to solve. To solve these equations there are 2 or 3 ways, and but here we will use a reducible way. How to reduce then solve. So here come from this way, 7x minus 2y is equal to 5xy. We can write first doing cross multiplication and divide by xy both side. 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5xy upon xy. Cancel out, y cancel, x cancel. Then we get here 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5, or minus 2 upon x plus 7 upon y is equal to 5. Equation number first. Similarly, we can write second part as 8x plus 7y is equal to 15xy by doing क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इसे हमने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके ये रिलेशन मिला. अगेन बाई डिवाइडिंग एक्स वाई बोथ साइड, 8x अपॉन एक्स वाई प्लस 7y अपॉन एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू 15xy अपॉन एक्स वाई. x cancel out, y cancel out, and xy both cancel out. Here we can write 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15, or 7 upon x plus 8 upon y is equal to 15. Equation number second. Now here let see, in both the equations variables are in denominators. So we have to suppose that let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Now by students, taking 1 upon x u and 1 upon y v, now we will put minus 2u plus 7v is equal to 5, and from second we can write this as 7u plus 8v is equal to 15. Remember, we should use these suppositions. Now first and second we should equate these two relations to multiply by first 7 and second by 2, because 2 is the coefficient of first equation of y u and 7 is the coefficient of second equation coefficient of u. So we can write here 7 to 14 u plus 7 7 49 v is equal to 35. 2 7 14 u, 2 8 16 v is equal to 30. Add same sign, opposite sign, same coefficients, 18 4 18 और 19 67 v is equal to 65. Students, see here, there is correction, so please make it correct. 2 8 16, here 16 should be there, and therefore we make it correct. Now 49 and 16, 65 v is equal to 65. Okay students, so there was a correction, don't worry. V is equal to 65 upon 65, that is 1. It is the value of v. From equation first, we have a first equation as minus 2u plus 7v is equal to 5. Now we will put the value of v, minus 2u plus 7 into 1 is equal to 5. Now students, by transposing minus 2u is equal to 5 minus 7, so it becomes minus 2u is equal to minus 2. Certainly minus minus cancel out, and here we can write u is equal to 1 also, because u is equal to 2 upon 2. So students, u is 1 and v is also 1. So students, finally we got u is equal to 1 and v is equal to 1. Now we take as it was assumed that 1 upon x is equal to 1, by cross multiplication x is equal to 1. Similarly here we can write this 1 upon y is equal to 1. Doing cross multiplication, y is equal to 1. So finally your answers are x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, students. I hope you will understand after watching video, and please try to understand this video and solve other parts of this question, and like and subscribe this video. And if you have any query, any problem, you can ask through groups or comment box. Okay students, thanks.